Alright, and guys, how's it going? Pancakes aren't just for Shrove Tuesday, they're for any day. So here is the recipe for my perfect pancake. And what's even better about it? No weighing involved. So all we need is flour, milk, eggs and a bit of butter for cooking with. Let's get on with it. So like I said guys, no weighing involved, no measuring really, it's just comparison. So all we need is a couple of 3 containers all the same size. And what we do, crack the eggs into one. And whatever height the eggs are on the glass, we want the same amount of flour. And I'll bring my little phone around a minute to show you. Oops. Here we go. And, spookily, the same amount of milk. We want 2 lots of milk. I've only got 3 glasses with me. So there we are then. So whatever level the eggs are, the same for the flour and the same for the milk, and we'll use a second milk in a minute. And what you can do if you're going to use salt, put a little bit of salt in with the flour now. Right, bowl, and because I want 2 lots of milk, I'll use that one first. There we are. Okay, little well in the centre. In with the eggs. Start beating. Just gradually draw the flour from the outside inwards. It sort of does it by itself anyway. There we are, so we got a bit in there. Don't worry about the lumps, we'll whisk those out in a minute. In with 1 glass of milk. And it's pretty smooth. Look, there's a few little bits in there, but it doesn't matter. And in with a 2nd glass of milk. There we are, they'll all disappear now. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to leave that for 30 minutes. And what that does, that lets the flour hydrate properly and it makes a nice light and fluffy pancake. It's a little bit thin at the moment and it will thicken up a bit in the next half hour. So back in a bit. Okay, now that's about half an hour. That's a bit thicker. So I think it's time to start cooking. A medium-sized frying pan for this. Let's make sure it's in focus, yeah. And this is what the butter's for. I'm just going to use that to wipe the pan like that. Do. Right, I want it fairly hot, so I'll get it hot to start off with and we turn it down a bit. Yeah, let's turn that down to number 3. And what I've got is a ladle, so just about full. Pour it in and then do the swirl. There we are. Maybe a little thick, that one, we'll see. Should take about 2 minutes on the first side. And I've got my big spatula, as recommended by Robin over there in Chicagoland. I'm not going to try and flip, I'm not just yet anyway. Yeah, it's not too bad. A little bit darker next time, I think. I mean, like I say, pancakes aren't just for Shrove Tuesday, any time of the year. So easy to make. Right, I'll just flip that one over just to show you what the second side looks like. There we are, that's more like a pancake. So let's give the first side a little bit longer. Then I've got a plate in the oven that's warm. Here we are, number one. A little bit of butter. Probably a bit too much butter, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm not going to try and toss them, not till I've made a few anyway. Here we are then, number two. Because the idea of pancakes was to clear the cupboard before Lent started. And that's why he did this. They made the pancakes and then used it to get rid of any, well, I don't suppose it was jams in those days, but you know, sweet stuff and savoury fillings and things. Here we are, that'll do. Last one. So that made four. A little bit left over, but I shan't use that. Well, let's have a go, eh? Ready? Hey! He hasn't lost it. Oh dear. Yeah. Mind you, there are 15 pancakes stuck to the ceiling, you know. Okay then, there we go. That's the fourth one. Let's slide this one out. Well, there we have it. A small stack of British pancakes. I'll say British pancakes. They're more like crepes than the American style pancake, the big fluffy ones. So I think the thing to do is take a few photographs and eat one. Okay then, the classic British topping for a pancake, sugar and lemon. Now we're going to use a little bit of sugar. I don't want to use too much. I'll do half a teaspoon, that should be alright. And a squirt of lemon. If you're posh, you can use a lemon and squeeze it. This is a darn sight cheaper and very quick. There we are. And we always roll them up. So I'll just do a couple. And of course we've got to have a taste, haven't we? Before they go cold. Now, back to my school days. Beautiful. Oh yeah. That's brilliant, guys. Another British basics for you. Oh. What can I say? It's a pancake, it's delicious, and the way I made it is so quick and simple. Takes all the guesswork out of it. And well, there you are. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next recipe. Yum, 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 yum.